heart of Europe, in Poland, we build and restore one of the most iconic off-road vehicles ever made. At Mercedes G.pl Ex-Army Cars, the Mercedes G-Class isn't just what we do, it's what we live. Every G-Class has a story, military heritage, mechanical honesty, and a new life built by hand. From full restorations to custom builds, we create classic G-Wagens for collectors, adventurers, and drivers all over the world. And today, another legend is ready to leave our showroom. The next one could be yours. Build your dream G-Class with us.